Hi guys, we welcome you again at ANK's for the Queen for a Day contest season 2 and day 5. Yes. And today we it's a very special day because we have our models and queens. They're coming from Delhi and Mumbai and Haridwar. They're not from here, and they have covered all the journey so far just to be here on the contest and to be a part of the show. It's so nice, and I feel really privileged that we have actors and model. Uh, I would like to mention the names as well, as in we have Aman, then we have Anamika, Sangeeta, Dr. Ankita, Shilpi, Shreyal, and Mr. Deepak. So आज जो भी आप देखेंगे ना it's gonna be a little different because it's a bridal shoot. So the theme is a bridal shoot today because the concept when we started the shoot it was all a wedding season, and for till now we have just covered all the cocktail and the light parties, and today we would be showing you a little bit of the bridal जो बोलते हैं ना झलक, and just I would like to say about my queens that my queens, they are it's not about you wear a queen and you wear a crown and you are a queen. It's about it has to be here from the heart and the soul, and my queens are queens from the heart. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have the three queens ready with us for the day 5 of the shoot, and this today is the final shoot. Yes, and yes, people are tired and yet too excited for the finale. As per the sequence, we would be doing the grooming sessions after this, and the finale is gonna be in the end of Feb, that is 24th February, and we would like to invite all of you guys for the finale, where we would be crowning the queens, and it is gonna be a celebration where all the queens would be meeting for the first time. And I would also like to mention that this time there was a little twist what you have seen so far, that we have introduced our male model and we have picked them up, the best of models. We have picked them up, and these male models have come for the first time to support the celebration of the queen and being a woman, because they also support the women empowerment. For what we are doing, we are celebrating womanhood as per without any vital statistics or any of the discrimination. They have also come forward and put forward, and they have come here to support women and to help them to give them the final shots. So talking about the designs here, we have got designers associated. I would like to name the designer's name today, as in it is Sukriti from Mumbai. We have Deepa from Delhi. We have Lubna from Dehradun, yes, and we have Chroma Deluxe Sudhir. We have Kiranji for Durja Creations, and a lot more people who have come forward. As in, when we talk about sponsors, we have Mohanlal and Sons, Ebony and Jade, Sports Fit by Dhoni. We have Waistline and many more. So I would like to thank all of them, and I really hope this season rocks, and this was incredible, a good amount of contestants this time. Has been after the auditions we took for 20, and the finalists we took 15 of them. So we have 15 queens ready for you guys. And talking about the designs, here we have worked on the entire gowns and the bridal attire of this season, and Mohanlal and Sons and ANKs have done a tremendously good job as in design. So let's see how the day goes today, and let me get you the beautiful queens here to the store for whom we have been working so long. Our production team, I would not, I would really not miss them, because without them this would not have been possible. Tushar and Robnik and Asma. Yeah, I remember Asma. Yeah. So thank you guys. You guys rock. Without you, it would not have been possible. And we're looking forward for a rocking season. Yes, come, let's take you to Ebony and Jade where the queens are living. Come.